Hello everyone, my name is Supakon Siri Satawasa.
My name is Jenipat Walasivisan.
Today we gonna tell you about two news about today. Okay, the first news, Beirut explosion destroy rises to 200 as third minister resigns. Starting with the expedition, we follow how the blast leaped to the city, bringing the life to the house. More than 200 people are believed to have been killed by Tuesday devastation explosions in the Lebanese capital, Beirut. Its governor has said. Marwan about said dozens were still missing, many of them foreign workers. On Sunday, there were second night of violence in the city as police crashes with a protester angry with the government's response to the disaster. The resignation of three cabinet ministers and several MPs have followed to quit fully. They were response that Finance Minister Grazi Wasni was also preparing to quit ahead of a cabinet meeting called Prime Minister has the app to discuss the crisis. Many of Lebanese accused political elite of the corruption, neglect, and mismanagement. Mr. Darab has said the blasts were result of the detonation of 2,750 tons ammonium nitrate that has been stored unsafely at Beirut port for 6 years. The decision to keep so much hazardous material in a warehouse near the city center has been met with disbelief by many Lebanese who have long accused the political elite of corruption, neglect, and mismanagement. Mr. Abbas was acquired by the Al-Masad online news website as saying the death toll from the explosion has risen to 120 and that 110 people remaining missing. He told the Al Jadid TV channel that many foreign workers and lorry drivers were among the missing, which has said have made identifying them too more difficult. As many as 300,000 people were left homeless after Tuesday explosions. The Lebanese army, meanwhile, said it was calling off the rescue phase of the search operation at the port because no survivor had been found. Elsewhere in the city, hundreds of thousands of people are living in the seriously damaged homes, many without windows or doors. Officials have estimated the explosion cost more than $3 billion of damage and that Lebanon's collective economic losses may amount to $15 billion.
The next news is about TikTok in US. The app TikTok has been repeatedly making headlines as governments around the world consider take action against the video platform. The latest from Donald Trump himself suggests that the app could be banned very soon. It could also be bought by Microsoft or another as corporation. Mr. Trump also signed an executive order giving TikTok 45 days in the US before it is banned. Such decisions are being made for a number of the reasons, including border conflicts with the Indian government and anti-Chinese sentiment from the US.
Okay, this is all about today. Thank you.